Hey everyone, welcome back to channel, and today we'll be discussing that how you can clear the Siri suggestion on iPhone. In this case, you actually don't want Siri to know much about you. So what you need to do is just go to your settings, and after going to settings, just swipe up and you see that there is an option of Apple Intelligence and Siri. In previous iOS, there is just Siri option, and in iOS 18 above you see that there is an Apple Intelligence and Siri, which is combined, which is an Apple AI and with the Siri. So go to Apple Intelligence and Siri, swipe up, and you see that there is an option of suggestion here. You see there is an option of suggestion here to clear all the Siri suggestion which it is already sorted out, and all of the information it has already of you. Just reset the hidden suggestions and it will show you the option like this. Just put a reset and it is all gone. You can also disable any of the suggestions here. For example, allow notification show in app library or whatever you want to from here. You can also limit the access of Siri to your certain apps. Just go to your app and it will show you all of the apps which Siri has an access. If you want Siri to don't learn from that app, just go over it and you see that there is an option of learn from this app. You can disable it. So Siri won't be having any of access to this, and Siri won't be able to actually learn from how you use Call of Duty to make suggestions across apps. I hope this video is helpful, and this video enhance your experience to an iPhone and AI of an iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Bye bye.